that car right there, you need to film that car too.
Why is that?
Oh, you will see.
I have never seen one in person. They're very rare to see. This Porsche, it sells for $1.5 to $3 million. And we got a sick Ferrari GTS 308 here. That thing is pretty sick looking. Gated 5-speed as well. Sheesh. Oh, you guys can't even see. Hold on. There we go. Much better. That is sick. Jeez, that bed is loud. What were we gonna say, Nick?
So that car right there,
The silver and black one?
Yep, you need to film that car too.
Why is that?
Oh, you will see. I'm not telling you. You gotta see.
Okay, well, I guess I've been told. So this car right here, Nick is telling me I need a film. I don't know why. Oh, it's a De Tomaso. That is sick. It almost makes me think of the older Ford GT cars.
A little bit.
That's cool. And we got a DeLorean Back to the Future car over there. That thing is pretty sick as well.
So there's a good thing about this. We have 2 of these in Bend.
The DeLoreans?
Yeah.
Oh,
So-
yeah, those are rare cars to see.
Exactly.
And then right over here, we're gonna go check out a Lotus Elise. That thing is pretty neat looking. I haven't seen one of those before in person. This silver with the red is so sick. Yeah, I have never seen one in person. I think maybe I have, like one other time, but they're very rare to see. At least in Portland, where I'm at, they're very rare. If you guys don't know, I am at Bend Cars and Coffee at Dilly Dally. So, oh, and we got an OG Import Racer. I'm doing a video with him right after Cars and Coffee, actually doing a ride along. So that's gonna be super fun. We'll go check out his car in a minute. And if you guys do not know, something very special about GTRs, all you GTR fanatics out there probably know this fact, but if you guys see this, he has a gold GTR badge, and there's something about the gold that is very, very rare, and it's very hard to find, and they're like a special edition or something like that. I don't know too much about it, so I don't want to try and explain it because I might sound stupid, but so we'll get more info on that from him. What's up, buddy? How you doing?
Good to see you.
Good to see you too. Huh? If you guys do not know who this is Seth, and his Instagram is OG Import Racer. Go give him a check out. I'll pop up his Instagram for you guys in the video, but yeah, go check him out. Give him a follow. He has a very clean R33. I absolutely love this car. I love the wing on it too, the wing style. So sick. Sheesh. Check out the interior. This thing is just super minty and clean, like a brand new car. Seth really keeps this car so clean.
Exactly.
Okay, so Nick, I don't know, he might know about what I was telling you guys about the badge, but I know you're a JDM guy.
You remember the Viper? Sorry, cutting off. You remember the Viper I told you?
Cutting me off.
I'm sorry. It's ADHD. It's ADHD from both.
Yes, there is a Viper. Look at that. We'll check that out.
Okay, I'm the back of the program.
So,
Cut.
So I was telling the audience, for Skyline GTRs, there's a special gold badge that's very rare and like limited or something like that. Do you know more info about that?
Not much. I mean, this is the gold badge right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nothing really much about it. Too much.
I just know that there's something special about the gold badges.
It costs more gold.
Yeah, right?
Exactly.
It's
Gold's
easy to
going up in
answer,
price.
right?
Exactly.
So here is the Viper. Check out the wrap or paint job. It's like a color shift. And I like how on the hood and the roof it has snakeskin. That is so cool. Oh, it's carbon fiber. That's unique. So we're gonna go get some coffee real quick because your boy needs some caffeine. I was up until like 1:30 a.m. putting out the video and uploading it and editing it. So we're gonna wait in line and get some coffee. So while I was waiting in line for my coffee, I heard a car pull in and it immediately broke my neck. Check this out. We got a super loud F430. This thing is crazy. Nick said that the owner of this car, he buys cars that need to be fixed up and sells them. So he said that the owners had this one for what, a couple months, you said?
Maybe a couple months, maybe a year.
So Seth had to correct me. He said this is a 360, not a 430. So
I mean, what do I know?
yeah, so For all you guys in the comments, I can feel you. You were gonna correct me and roast me in the comments. I'm correcting myself now. It's a 360, not a 430. So tell us about your cool Porsche here.
It's a Singer vehicle design. 911 started life as a 1991 964.
Okay.
And they take that car and they sort of reimagine it as this.
Okay.
Mostly carbon fiber, weighs 2,600 pounds.
Oh, geez, that's pretty light.
Pretty light. The power plant was designed by Cosworth, 3.8 liter naturally aspirated engine. Everything is important, is
Okay.
what Singer says. Drives like a modern GT car, but it
Wow.
looks like that.
It's absolutely beautiful.
Thanks, man.
How long have you had it?
2 Octobers ago. I bought it 2 Octobers ago. I got it from a car dealer in Canada.
Wow.
I know.
So you went all the way up to Canada and drove it back here?
No.
Oh, okay.
I sent a friend to look at it for me. The Singer only makes 450 of these total, and it was easy to get information about it.
This Porsche it sells for $1.5 to $3 million in auction. That is so insane because apparently, from what I'm told, it's like a carbon fiber body. It weighs 2,600 pounds. It's a super custom Porsche, very rare. Only like 500 or 450 of them. I think he said 450 of them in the world. So I'm here checking out the De Tomaso that looks like the old GT40s, but look at the inside. Look what sits right by your shoulder. It's the engine. That is so wild. Look what we got pulling in here, you guys. Mark IV Supra. That thing is gorgeous. Yes, sir. I still want to get a ride along and a review of a Mark IV Supra. That thing just sounds so good. Dude, we got this sick truck too. Look at that. I love those old square body trucks. Those are sick. Yeah, as soon as he saw me videoing the Supra, he's like, you're getting a picture of the wrong vehicle. So my mom and dad came, and the owner of this 308 GT, he's letting my mom sit in it. Ah, that suits you. You should get one.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
I could do this.
Ask him how much he'd sell it to you for.
Yeah, he just got it.
So here is the Supra. Man, it's overexposed. Hold on one second. There we go. This thing is super gorgeous. The interior is super clean. Love the wheel choice. Then we got a super sick GT4 RS. This thing is super nice. I'm not the biggest fan of the GT4s only because of how the taillight rear end design is. I like the GT3 RS design more, but either way, still pretty sick. I would still drive one if I got the opportunity to have one. So this is what I was talking about the different looks on the GT3 versus the GT4. The GT3 just has a different style back end, and then also the front end is also different as well. I love the front end and the rear end design of the GT3s. This is a GT3 Touring, so it's missing the big wing that I like. But either way, these GT3s are just so sick. The 911 style is so cool. It's one of the excuse me, it's one of the more popular Porsches that are out there, one of the more modern popular ones. So I love the color. That is so cool.
Damn.
This Miata is super sick. I almost backed into him. Almost got ran over. I was too busy filming this Miata. This Miata is super clean. I like it. I like the color of it.
Now we gotta bring him down for this.
What's that?
Now we gotta bring down for this because he's getting your attention with this car.
I know.
You're almost back into multiple cars, bro.
I know. I almost got ran over. Then it'll be no more Cam the YouTuber.
It'll be me now.
Yeah, you'll have to take over. Pay me for my channel.
How much?
I don't know. Yes, sir. Here's that DeLorean that I was telling you guys about earlier. This thing is so sick. I love how the doors go up. Ooh, here goes that De Tomaso. That thing sounded so amazing. Too bad you don't know who the owner of that is. I would love to do a video with the De Tomaso.
Hopefully someday.
Yeah, as Stradman says, someday, one day.
Yep, exactly.
Someday, one day. We got a dope Z06 C8 pulling out. This thing is super nice. Woo.
You're gonna give him a heart attack. Nice to meet you guys.
Oh, that sounds so good. We got a sick Audi RSQ6 here. This thing is so, oh, it's like RSQ8. This thing is gorgeous. I love these so much. I would much rather have one of these than a Urus. Oh my God, these cars sound so amazing as well. I love the color. He has his door open. Let's check out the inside real quick. Oh my goodness, that is just beautiful. And the hexagon stitch seats. Oh, that is so beautiful. All right, guys, this is Aaron. He's the one that puts on the Daily Dally Cars and Coffee. He wanted to give a little promotion for the Cars and Coffee, telling you guys why you should come out. So Aaron, camera's all yours.
Yeah, so we started up Ben Cars and Coffee here at Dilly Dally Coffee Company. Oh, probably a little over 4 years ago. We were kind of picking up where Spoken Moto left off. They used to have Cars and Coffee over at Spoken Moto. The building uprooted, moved across town, and we were just looking for something to do. It's just another outlet, just another link to the car community, and really bring the community together. It's definitely more about the people than it is the cars.
Yeah.
And events like this couldn't be possible without all the awesome people that come out and show off their awesome rides.
Absolutely. So, well, Aaron, thanks for having me out here. Let me
Thanks,
film.
Cam.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And again, guys, if you guys don't know about Ben Cars and Coffee here at Dilly Dally's, go check them out on Instagram. And make sure you subscribe and follow me on YouTube and Instagram so you don't miss any more car content. All right, you guys. Peace.